Hello guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Robothought 0 to Hero series, and we are in lesson number 83, Python coding on Jetson Nano. Alright guys, I'm going to show you Python while loop. Alright, it's a pretty interesting topic, and this is going to repeat again and again and again throughout your programming life. Alright, so guys, basically Python has two primitive loop commands. Okay, one is the while loop and one is the for loop. Right, now let me show you with an example, then you can understand very clearly. Let me open up my terminal and I'm logged into Jetson Nano. All right, let's create a new file, new Python file, say while.py. Okay, I'm into fresh file, and let's say what I want to give a very simple example so that you guys can understand easily. So print, okay, all right, let's print a letter I as long as I is less than 6 or 10 or 20, any kind of value you can give. Keep printing I as long as it is greater than, or sorry, less than or greater than 6, whichever value you give. Let's say I equals to 1. Okay, and then most important thing, the keyword while I is less than, say, 6, is to, now give indentation, print I. Okay, now let's say I plus equals to 1. Okay, now this is what you are declaring, I plus or equal to 1. Now print I unless until it's less than 6. Now you see the way the while loop is going to work, guys. Let's execute this and I'll show you to you. Let me just save this, Control O, enter, Control X, Python 3 while.py. Can you see that? 1 2 3 4 5. So it's below 6, right? 1 2 3 4 5, and it stops. It stops right there. So this is a pretty simple, very simple while loop, guys. I'm going to show you a couple of more examples in a different way using while and for while loops, and kind of different stuff is going to come very soon. All right guys, see you until then, and I'm going to be back very soon. Do give a like, please.